What if you could verify a vehicle's registration and details instantly? COSTAR's Rego Checker lets you do exactly that, right from your repair order or invoice screen. No more uncertainty about registration before a test drive. Just enter a number plate and in seconds you'll get full, verified vehicle data, including registration status, year, make, model, and VIN. All pulled from a national database so your team stays safe and compliant every time. And it's not just about checks. The data flows straight into COSTAR. That means repair orders and invoices auto-fill with accurate vehicle details, saving you time and eliminating manual entry errors. Fast, precise, fully connected. COSTAR's Rego Checker removes the guesswork, so you can quote faster, work smarter, and protect your business day in, day out. Built into your COSTAR platform and backed by the team at Microhouse Australia, we're here to support you at every turn.